words. Spanish words. Woo!
My big book of Spanish words. Can you read it?
My big book of Spanish words. As you can see, these are some pages. Caitlin, show us some more. Joe needs some, baby. Joe needs some. Flip the page for us, Caitlin. No. No. No, silly. Turn the page. Turn the page. Turn the page. Oh, my animals. Well, look at those. My big book of words.
Spanish words. My big book of Spanish.
Oh no. There it goes. Cut.
Cut.
Daddy, I'm saying cut, but Caroline won't listen. Oh, there you go. Turning the pages. Good job, baby. Oh, no. Well, I guess that's it. Well, my name is Caroline, and this is called My